Okay.
Daddy, repeat on me. Gusto ko balot.
I don't like balut.
It's only the Visayan word.
Gusto
It's a joke,
Okay.
okay? Am I allowed to even speak an original word?
Okay.
You said balut.
gusto ko balot.
Gusto ko balut. But hindi. Hindi gusto ko balut.
Gusto ko balot.
Gusto kong balut.
Gusto ko
Gusto kong
balot.
balut.
Aron
Aron
maka
maka
otot.
otot.
Repeat, Daddy.
You're feeding me stupid things for me to say, aren't you?
Repeat, Daddy, repeat. Gusto ko balot.
Gusto kong balut.
Aron maka
Aron maka
otot.
otot. What
Yeah.
does otot mean? I know what it means. And you are mischief.
Okay, Daddy, repeat.
No, I'm not saying it again.
Say it again.
Hey, Daddy, no.
Otot, gusto
What
ko
is
balot,
otot?
aron ako makautot. We at the end of this
What does it mean?
video, we will tell you the the
No,
English.
I want to know now.
Gusto ko balot, aron ako makautot. What's the English, lovely?
What's the English?
I want balot so I can park.
Otot. I knew that was it. This thing. How do you say this dog smells?
Yes, yes.